Bago tayo dumating doon sa pagiging burnt out, may iba't ibang stages ng stress ang pinagdadaanan natin. Importante na alam natin ito para ma-manage natin ng mabuti, effectively, ang ating stress dahil hindi naman yan nawawala. There is no such thing as a stress-free life. Kailangan pa rin natin ang tinatawag na positive stress para maging productive tayo sa buhay. Reviewin nga natin ano-ano ang 4 stages ng stress. Stage 1 is the no light stage. No light, ibig sabihin, pundido. Wala nang ilaw sa ating buhay. Wala nang ilaw sa ating pagtatrabaho. Yan ang negative stress na tinatawag. Stage 2 refers to the green light. Yan naman ang positive, motivating stress. Stage 3 refers to the yellow light. That means you are experiencing continuous stress over a period of time and it is time for you to slow down. Otherwise, you might hit the next level, the final level, which is the red light, yun na ang burnout. What are the things that you can do so that you will avoid being burnt out? Ito ang ating mga pabaong tips sa iyo sa araw na ito. First, learn to slow down. Slow down and make the necessary changes for good physical health. When we slow down, we also need to evaluate our priorities. Slow down and evaluate your priorities. Paano natin gagawin ito? Simple things that we can do. Make a checklist of everything that you are busy with right now. Sulat mo, ano ba yung mga pinagkakaabalahan mo? Ano ang pinaglalaanan mo ng panahon, ng iyong lakas, ng resources mo? And then, consider other priorities that should be on the list dahil baka hindi balanse ang ating buhay at trabaho ngayon. Number the items on your list in order of importance and use your commitments carefully. Choose your commitments carefully. Eliminate unnecessary stressful obligations and don't accept impossible deadlines. Minsan kasi, masyado tayong believe sa ating sarili na kaya ko yang tapusin in 3 days. Yun pala, 1 buwan ang kakailanganin talaga. Don't give in to the pressure of urgency. Tackle only one problem at a time. That is part of slowing down and evaluating your priorities. When we slow down, we also need to nourish our spiritual life. In the Bible, in Psalm 46, verse 10, we are reminded to be still because in our stillness, we come to know who God is. We are reminded that God is really in control of everything. So remind yourself daily to be still and know that He is God. Slow down and nourish your life. Yan ang unang step para maiwasan ang burnout. Pangalawa, you don't just slow down, you also stop. Stop and look at the real reason why you are experiencing stress. Isa daw sa mga nakakadagdag sa stress natin yung sinusubukan nating i-please ang lahat ng tao. That would be very stressful. Ang sabi nga sa Galatians chapter 1 verse 10, am I now trying to win the approval of men or of God? Or am I trying to please men? If I were still trying to please men, I would not be a servant of Christ. If you live to please others, to please everyone, you would end up being burnt out dahil hindi naman yun mangyayari. So, our purpose should be to please God and God alone. Stop and look at the real reason you are experiencing stress. Yan ang pangalawang step natin para makaiwas sa burnout o pagiging burnt out. Learn to stop kapag kinakailangan. Pangatlo, yield. Yield to God's sovereign control over your circumstances. Yield to God's sovereign control over your circumstances. Kung napapagod kang kada drive ng buhay mo, why don't you transfer and turn over the control to God? Dahil ang Diyos walang kapaguran. Yield the driver's seat to Christ. And lastly, Resume speed. Resume speed living in the presence of God. Ang sabi sa Psalm 62 verse 1, My soul finds rest in God alone. My salvation comes from Him. Do you feel tired? Do you feel stressed out? Do you feel burnt out? 4 na bagay ang pwede mong gawin ngayon. Slow down and seek God's direction. Stop and turn from danger. Yield the driver's seat to Christ and resume speed, trusting in the Lord. Ang mga ibinahagi ko sa iyo ngayong araw na ito ay galing sa aklat na isinulat ni June Hunt, Counseling Through Your Bible Handbook, providing biblical hope and practical help for 50 everyday problems. Ang pinag-usapan nga natin, how to avoid being burnt out. For the